Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your kid's watch that has two buttons. As you can see right here on the right side, we have two buttons that we can push in order to set the time and date. You are going to need a pair of tweezers or a metallic pin so that you can actually push those buttons. The first thing that you can do if you press the top pusher is that you can actually see the date. So as you can see, we have the seconds here. If I press it once again, we have the time displayed. If I only press it once, you will be able to see the date. So it is the 1st of March. Also, if you press the pusher twice, you will be able to see the seconds. And if you press it again, it will go back to current time. In order to set the time and date, we are going to press the button pusher. So as you can see, I press it once in order to see the date. So here I can actually set the month. So I'm going to make it December. Then I'm going to press the button pusher once again. Here we have the 1st of December. You can also press and hold in order to speed scroll, so it is going to move faster, or go one by one. I'm going to leave it at 11, so 11 of December. I'm going to press the button pusher once again. Here we have the hour, and as you can see, it is PM, so I can press the top pusher in order to either leave it at PM, or I want to make it, let's say, 5 a.m., so 5 in the morning. Just like that. I'm going to press the button pusher again, and here I can adjust the minutes. And now I'm going to make it 15. So I can either go one by one or press and hold in order to go faster. So as you can see, 15. Now I'm going to press the button pusher once again. As you can see, we have 5:15, but something really important, you can see that the two dots here aren't blinking, so they are not flickering. This means that at this point, the watch isn't going, so it isn't recording time. And as you can see right now, it is moving. This means that it is going to show me the time, and it is going to run in the background. If I press it once again, I can see the month. Once you see these two dots flickering, so beeping, this is when you know that the watch is actually going. So make sure to have these two dots going in order to make sure that your watch is keeping accurate time. So guys, that was the quick tutorial on how to set the time and date on your kid's watch that has the two buttons. Here we have a Disney model, but this tutorial is going to work for other similar digital watches as well. In order to be able to set the time and date, you are going to need a pair of tweezers or a metallic pin. So do not forget to grab one in order to be able to push the buttons right here. So guys, in case you want to watch even more tutorials just like this one, videos about watches, vintage watches, watch unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you found value from this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what kind of watch you have, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.